Okay, let's get started. If you want to master your finances and obtain financial freedom, you absolutely, first and foremost, must understand money. I know that sounds strange. We all use money every day. We're familiar with it. But what is it? Where does it come from? Why is it valuable? Think about it. What is money? Well, the short answer is that money is a unit of account that serves as a medium of exchange. It purchases goods and services. But this is a short-term and incomplete view. In order to be viable over long periods of time, money must contain several definitive characteristics. Money must be portable, divisible, fungible, durable, and it must contain intrinsic value in some capacity. So let's go through these. Money must be portable. It should be practical to settle transactions with money. This means you should be able to easily carry it around with you or electronically access it from any location. Money must be divisible. This one's easy. You should be able to make change out of your money. It should break down into consistent smaller units that add back up to consistent larger units. Money must be fungible. This is a fancy way of saying that money should be interchangeable. It should be uniform. $1 in my pocket should be the same as $1 in your pocket. €1 in my bank account should be the same as €1 in your bank account. A 1-ounce gold coin in my safe should be the same as a 1-ounce gold coin in your safe. Money must be durable. It should serve as a store of value over long periods of time. We should be able to save our money and come back to it in a year, in 10 years, in 50 years, and still be able to purchase things with it. In other words, money should maintain its purchasing power over long periods of time. Finally, money must contain intrinsic value. Now this one's a little tricky because value is subjective, but a big piece of the puzzle is that money must be relatively scarce. Otherwise, people would not be interested in using it. People would not want to trade goods and services for money. They would not want to work 40, 50, 60 hours a week for money if it weren't relatively scarce. There has to be a reason for people to assign value to money. So these are the characteristics that sound money must contain in order to be viable over the long term. It may not come as a surprise to you to hear that we do not always employ money containing each of these properties. Throughout history, humans have used two distinct types of money, and we are going to take a look at each of those in the next lecture.